Guys, my skin prep is the first important step in getting a dewy skin. I'm using hyaluronic acid toner from Frigo and a good lip balm would be the next step. Then I think this is from Irem. And then I'll follow up with an active serum so it can work on my problem areas under my makeup throughout the day. The one I'm using is retinoid serum from Himalayan Organics. And then a final beauty step would be a moisturizer, but I'm going to use an oil moisturizer instead, considering today's theme and all. Now this one, the one I'm using is a rose glow serum from Teika. It's a very glowy serum, considering that's what they have named it. Well, you can choose anything you want, but if you opt for something that is already made to give you a glowing skin, it just makes it easier. And then massaging it on my skin with 24K golden pulse facial massager from House of Beauty. This is totally unnecessary for today's look, but you can skip this one if you want. I just like to go extra hard on my skin every now and then. The first step is using an illuminating or a dewy primer. The one that I'm using is Angel Veil from NYX, and this primer works for oily skin people too. I have oily skin. It also is long lasting, fills all the pores and gives you beautiful glow from within. I'm gonna mix Iconic liquid highlighter with my foundation. This brand is not available in India, but I'll link the Instagram page in description where you can buy this. You can also use any other liquid or gel highlighter even before your foundation separately. Now over this, keep this in mind that you have to apply a light to medium coverage foundation because you want the illuminating from within to peek through the foundation and show on the outside. If you apply a full coverage foundation over this, it will pretty much cover everything and you cannot see anything underneath of the foundation. My foundation of the choice today is Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Serum Foundation, which is, I picked this foundation for few different reasons. It is so lightweight, very sheer, it has glowing finish to it, and it is long lasting. It lasts for about 3 to 5 hours. Opt for kabuki brush if you have it for foundation and blush both. It will give you smooth finish. I have used Pro Arte AK42 round kabuki brush for both of these applications. Using NYX Wonder Stick in the universal shade, you can see that swatch looks exactly like the shadow on my hand. You wanna pick a shade that is going to blend on your face like an actual shadow would. It will make it look so natural in real life, even if you can't see it here on camera. To blend the product, I'm using Pro Arte AK41 Angular Kabuki brush, and then quickly go over with my PAC stippling brush to smooth everything out. What it will mainly help with is removing any harsh lines on my face. For the highlighter, choose liquid, cream or gel highlighter instead of powder. I'm using Sugar Face. The first time you're watching me, you can also check out my Instagram for a quick makeup tricks, and please consider subscribing here too. While you're at it, hit the bell button and I will see you in my next video.